How to play videos while on call on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Play Store application on your device and download this browser called Brave Private Web Browser. So Google Chrome could not be possible for this play video during a call, so we have to download this application. Now as you can see, I've already installed the application, so just tap on open and it will land us to the home page. Now as you tap on the home page, here you can see the three dotted lines, so tap on it and then tap on settings. As you tap on settings, scroll down and then under display option, tap on media. Now here you can see the option of background play, so make sure that you toggle on this option and then tap on relaunch now. Now after that, you can just go back and play video and make a call together simultaneously, and that's how you'll be able to play videos while on call on Android. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.